everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated returns in the automotive world, the 2026 Honda Prelude. After years of absence, Honda brings back this iconic coupe with a modern twist, blending sporty performance with advanced technology. Stay tuned as we break down every detail, from the bold new design to the high-tech interior and the expected price. Let's start with the front. The 2026 Honda Prelude makes a powerful first impression with its aggressive and aerodynamic styling. It features a bold front grille with a sleek honeycomb design, flanked by sharp LED headlights with dynamic daytime running lights. The sculpted hood and low-slung stance give it a true sports coupe profile, while the large air intakes hint at its performance capabilities. It's clear that Honda has combined heritage with futuristic design cues. Step inside and the 2026 Prelude delivers a driver-focused cockpit. The front seats are sporty yet comfortable, with premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. Both seats are power adjustable and come with heating and ventilation. The cabin is centered around a 12.3-inch, fully digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The flat-bottom steering wheel and metal pedals emphasize its sporty character. In the rear, the Prelude offers a 2+2 seating arrangement. While the back seats are more compact, they provide enough space for shorter trips or additional storage when needed. High-quality materials extend to the rear, and Honda has included USB-C charging ports and a fold-down armrest for added convenience. Although not the roomiest, the back seats maintain the coupe's sleek profile while offering practical features. Around the back, the 2026 Honda Prelude boasts a clean and athletic design. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving it a futuristic appearance. The sculpted rear bumper integrates dual exhaust tips, hinting at the car's performance pedigree. A subtle trunk spoiler adds aerodynamic efficiency, while the rear diffuser enhances the sporty aesthetic. The overall rear profile is both aggressive and refined. The 2026 Honda Prelude comes packed with cutting-edge features that elevate both performance and convenience. Some key highlights include powertrain options: turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing around 330 horsepower with a hybrid option for improved efficiency. Performance tuning, suspension designed for precise handling and a responsive driving experience. Advanced safety features: Honda Sensing Suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Premium sound system, 12-speaker Bose audio for an immersive experience. Heads up, display projects key driving information onto the windshield. Drive modes, customizable driving modes, including Sport and Eco for different driving dynamics. Wireless charging, fast and convenient device charging. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda Prelude is expected to start around $40,000 for the base model, with higher performance trims and hybrid variants reaching $50,000 or more. Considering its performance, advanced tech, and premium design, the Prelude offers a competitive package in the sports coupe segment. And that's a wrap on the 2026 Honda Prelude. With its bold design, advanced features, and thrilling performance, Honda's latest coupe is set to turn heads and capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts. What do you think of the new Prelude? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car reviews and the latest automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.